Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Shein without returning. Normally, you would have to return it to get your money back, but what if there was a way to get a refund without all the hassle? Well, there's a chance. Let's jump in. Let's see how it works. First things first, grab your phone or tablet and open the Shein app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Down in the corner, you will see a little icon that looks like a person. That's your account. Tap on that to open your account details. From there, find the section for your orders. It might be called order history or something similar. Once you are in your orders, find the item you want to refund for and tap on it. You will see a button that says request return. Instead of tapping return items, we're going to try something different. Tap on refund only. Shein needs a reason why you want to refund. Be honest and clear, but keep it simple. Maybe the item is the wrong size, or maybe it's damaged. Whatever the reason, explain it quickly and to the point. Once you submit your refund request, Shein will take a look at it. So that's the lowdown on getting a Shein refund without returning anything. Remember, it's not guaranteed, but it's worth the shot, especially for smaller items. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.